Hey everyone, we are here in Windy City, Chicago. This is part of our IBI Roadshow Summit series. One of the big announcements they're doing is the launch of the new IBI platform.
So the IBI platform roadmap is exciting. We're really factoring in a lot of our top customer requests, and that's really exciting to me. My background in support, I always want to do what's best for the customer.
One of my favorite SKUs is the new IBI mainframe SKU, and it allows customers that are on the mainframe today to take advantage of pretty much the whole technology framework. It's one of the greatest things I think we've done in a long time is putting these SKUs together to get a lot of value out of their mainframes.
So love working with customers that are pushing the envelope, looking to use our platform to tame that complex data, turn it into meaningful information, really deliver it a modern way. It could be visual, it could be interactive, and offer that out to the masses, potentially millions of users in a variety of different ways to serve the broadest variety of non-technical consumers.
This is very exciting for us, but more exciting for our customers because IBI in history have never done something like this, and more importantly, this is a very, very unique offering in the entire industry.
We have a lot of great marketing activities out there for our customers to take advantage of, including our virtual user groups, Focus Fridays, our Summit Roadshow. We also have our brand new IBI community and our newsletter. So make sure that you stay tuned for more events and activities coming up from our marketing team.